Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's phone number on Cash App. So let's get into the video. So open up Cash App and log into your Cash App account if you haven't. So once I've logged in here, so what you're going to do, you're going to open up your profile option here. So on your top right, click on your profile. So click on it, and then here you'll have these invite friends option. So you can simply select this invite friend option. So this will list up all your contacts from your phone, and then next to the contacts you'll be able to see their respective phone numbers. So you can quickly look at the phone numbers from here if you are looking for someone on your contacts. So that's one option, that's one way of you getting it. Or else what you can do, you can simply go to your search option here. So if you go to your search tab here, click on search tab, and then here you can simply search for the person's name whose phone number you want to check out. So search the person's name, or you can use their email address as well. If you know the email address, you can search in that way. So you can search for the person, and then once you select the person, you will be able to see their phone number. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.